What's up guys, my name is Anti-Aaron and welcome to Minecraft. This is actually my first video ever, so hopefully you will enjoy. Okay, so let's create a world. Infinite, let's create. It's building terrain. Oh, okay. Okay, let's go collect some wood first. My main goal on my first day is to try make a bed and then sleep and then at least survive a night. That's it. And then my Minecraft story will go on. Let's get some wood. Oh, and my technique in Minecraft is when you got is to always craft a wooden pickaxe first. So when you craft a wooden pickaxe first, you could go straight down and then get yourself some stone, so you have automatically a stone pickaxe or stone tools. Hopefully that was kind of helpful to some of you guys, but I don't know why I said that. Just forget what I said, okay? Okay, we are getting some stone here. I wish nothing's gonna kill me. Okay, I played this game since it was like in version 9.5, and I loved it since then. So I wanted to make my own Minecraft video. So yeah, it's just. Oh, and anyway, guys, today it's my sim break, so I'll try to make. Well, if you don't know what a sim break is, it's when I get a long break from school. So let's go craft these and then a furnace. See? This is literally what I'm telling you, that getting a stone pickaxe first is good. Then you can go on. Come here, chicken. Yes. Okay. Let's go chop this tree down. So if you want me to upload anything else on my channel, just let me know in the comments below. And guys, do you want me to I hear a spider. Do you want me to Oh god, a zombie. If you want me to waste my time on writing the description, well, you just have to decide, because I can't make up my mind. Oh, anyway, these videos will just be up to like 10 to 15 to 20 minutes long, and you could forgive me with that. Okay, let's do this. Horses. Wait, do horses even drop anything? I think they drop leather. Let's check out. Come here, horse. Yeah, you better run. So they do drop things. Where am I now? Okay. There. So guys, I'm not gonna be making a full own house now. Just trying to survive. That's the real point of this game. Just to survive. Okay. Let's make our house now. It's not gonna be that big. Just gonna be a simple house. Okay, and another one. Okay. So wait, what? Guys, I'm sorry if I'm being bad as a YouTuber because this is just my first day of being a YouTuber. I've wanted to become a YouTuber since I was like 5 or 6. I just wanted to record videos and entertain people. Anyway, okay, let's chop this down. Chop that down. Well, I think I'm just gonna make a noob house for just now. Oh yeah, and I also need oh no. There. Okay. It's already been 5 minutes of this video. Oh no. This is gonna make a cobblestone wall for now. Okay, I'm gonna make a cobblestone wall for now. So at least I could get some protection. And this is gonna be my drop off zone, so I could. Okay. I'm doing bad for my first day. So I'm just gonna go hunting or maybe mining, fighting. Oh, and guys, if you want me to like do some creative videos, just let me know in the comments. And so I won't have to say this at the end. Please, if you enjoyed this video, just put a like into this. Leave a like, and subscribe. So and show me some support. Cause that's the only time when I see people show some support, when they subscribe. Okay. Ooh, a cave. Let's go down here. Coal. Oh my god. Coal is what I like to find when I start. Oh no. Okay, not. There's a zombie. Get over here. Oh, and guys, if you want me to do some Heroes of Order and Chaos videos, I would love to do that. Just let me know. I don't know how many times I said let me know, but that horse is so loud. My god. Okay, I just need one more sheep, then I'll be able to make a bed. Cow. Boom. Oh, backstab. Let's go back to our house. Open sesame. Oh yes. Let's make this. And then let's make this. Yeah, we got some light. Yes. Put on our furnace. Put some there. And make some. No. We've actually been quite good in my first day. Whoa, but my hunger's going down. Eat some rocks. Okay. What should I do now? Okay. I'm going to decorate my house with roses. So unfortunately, we ran out of time. We ran out of more time for this video. So again, if you liked it, smash that like button and go and please subscribe. I'm gonna see you all next time. Bye guys.